You wake me every single day in my life. You invite me places I'm involved to see. Do that, telling that your life is so big to remain with me. Yapping off so heavenly signs about you and me. You can stay alone. I feel fine alone. You can stay alone. I feel fine alone. You love things from which I turn my eyes away. Do that. Words are the companions, your body, daily flight. Silence is the wonderful make.